Couch up.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Food,
Food.
where does it come from?
Where does it come from? Okay. Alibama, where in the class? No, last class you were there.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you tell me one of the use of the food? Why do we need food for our life? Can you tell me that?
Ma'am, we want to live. Also, we want energy, proteins.
To get energy. Okay.
We will only get to do work and all.
Yes. To repair, to maintain and everything. Now everyone mute it. So the same thing I'm going to show you. Because last time I could not show this thing. So those who are absent, those who lost due to network issue, you can see this one and we can repeat the class again. Okay, don't worry. So this is our starting thing, what I have taught you that day, that is food. Where does it come from? So food gives us, so what is the need of the food? Food gives us energy to do work, growth
and development
of the body.
To maintain good health.
Now you all don't read, I will read because everyone is reading, the sound is coming, lots of sound, okay? So don't do that. I'll read for you and sometimes I'll make you to read. Clear? So this is, I just start for the people. Those who lost the class.
We cannot see the what you shared.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am. We cannot see the board.
Yes.
See the board.
Yes. So food gives us energy to do work, growth, and development of the body. And also to maintain good health by the function of the body organs. And to make a food tasty, we add some of the things that is known as ingredients. Clear? So the things what we add. Clear? Now what I wanted everyone, you will copy this now.
Ma'am,
we should copy this in. Ma'am, we should copy this in a paper.
Already copied? No, in the rough book enough. Right? Keep in the book.
I already copied that.
Those who did not copy, those who did not write, I am just showing because first class some people could not enter in the class. That's what I am showing you. So those who copied, just to write. Yes, we have copied that. Yeah. Those who copy, don't do. Others, please copy. Clear?
Ma'am, we should write this in a rough book or in paper.
No. This you can write it in the rough book, okay? Paper I'll give you later. I'll give you as a PDF format. That time you have to copy in the ruled sheets. As a question answers I'll give. I'll give you as a question and answers. Now here you are only writing first point. Food give us energy. So those who wrote last class, you don't have to repeat. It is the same thing, but I have given as a sentence. That's it. You don't have to redo that. Those who did not write, please write the first sentence alone. Food gives us energy to do work, growth, and development of the body, and also to maintain good health.
By functions of the
body organs. Which are the body organs? Organ means what? Body organ means what? Organ.
And body parts.
body parts.
This organ, what you play. Okay, this is our hands, legs, eyes, ears, yes, nose. Yeah. Everything. Different parts of body. They are known as organs. Organ means one body part. Our hand is an organ. Eye is an organ. Correct? So that is why functions of the body organs. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Shall we go to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
We have written. What do you mean by ingredients? Correct? That only.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ingredient is a part of a mixture.
Part of mixture that is added to prepare a dish.
Those who did not.
Ingredient is a part of mixture.
Mixture that is added to prepare a dish.
Prepare a dish.
And
Ma'am, ingredients can be obtained from plant sources and animal sources.
yes,
Sources.
it can be obtained from plant sources and animal sources.
Animal sources.
Animal sources.
Yes, yes. So those who did not write last class, please write it again. Those who written, don't write. Why I am telling you? I am going to give an activity for you to do for this week. Clear? One activity I will be giving to do this for this week.
And
That's
you will
why.
send the WhatsApp.
No,
Okay, ma'am.
I will explain to you. Wait. Okay, let them complete. Completed?
No, ma'am.
Okay. What I underlined only you write, okay? An ingredient is a part of mixture that is added to prepare a dish. That can be obtained from plant
Plant
sources,
sources and animal sources.
animal sources. Okay.
Sources.
Ma'am,
Okay.
plant sources and animal sources.
Yes. I think you have completed that. Now, activity for this week. You can write in your rough book, activity 1. Okay? Then, now don't draw. I will draw something. Afterwards, I will tell you what to do. Okay? Now, let me draw first.
Okay, ma'am.
We have to do now itself.
Now what?
I will tell you. Wait.
Ma'am, this is science period, no?
I'll tell you. Okay. Now don't draw. Wait, let me complete. Okay. Yes? Now I explain to you and then I will let you draw. Okay, children? This is your activity 1. Listen carefully. I want you to draw this activity in a A4 size sheets. Okay? A4 size sheets. You can use, you can use any number of A4 size sheets. Clear? But that is depend upon how much you need. And you will write on the top of the A4 size sheets, activity 1, you will write their food. Okay, that is from chapter 1. Now, I have written name. There you should write your name. So I am writing my name for you to show. Okay, but you have to
Ma'am, with me, I don't have A4 sheet.
okay, then you use chart paper or something if you have last year any chart paper with you. Otherwise, buy it A4 size because I wanted this only on Monday. Next Monday, same class, same time. Now I don't want because I am going to give you an homework for you for this week. For this week, I'll explain to you. So you write your name. Now, today Monday. So you will first write Monday here. This is a rough copy. You need to give me a fair copy, okay? You can use the sketch pens, color pens, anything you wanted. But it will be beautiful. You'll write Monday here. Monday. Okay, I ask Shahad. Shahad, what did you eat for breakfast, Shahad? What did you eat for breakfast?
Ma'am, I ate appam.
Okay. So today what Shahad will write? You write your name and breakfast. We will put B here under food taken. I am giving one example like this. You have to write for 1 week. Monday,
What is full form of
Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday. So every day after you finish your supper, till supper you have to write. After finishing your supper, you will write that day. Breakfast, what did you
is
eat?
the B?
Yes, I'll tell you. Snacks and all don't write. I want only 3 things: breakfast, lunch, and your supper. What is your menu? You know, hotel and all you have menu. Which are the food you take? Similarly, this is a menu for you. So breakfast you will write B. I'm writing shahad, appam. And what is the curry for it? Shahad?
Ma'am, kadala curry.
Kadla. So kadla curry, we will use the word chana. Okay, chana dal. Dal don't want, chana enough. Dal is different. You will write appam and chana.
Curry.
Now, what you write? Ingredients. Ingredients means with what appam we have made. Can you tell me? Shahad, appam?
Rice and
Yes. So you will write rice flour. Okay. Then you will write water. Correct. Then appam, sugar must have put. Correct. Your mother must have. So if you don't know the ingredients, ask your mother. Mother or grandmother or your servant. Suppose your servant is cooking food for you. Ask your servant, auntie or uncle, whoever. Okay. Rice flour, water, sugar, then salt, then chana.
Yes,
Chana.
ma'am.
Chana, what ingredient we put? Chana we will put. Then masala. Correct? You can just write masala. You can write masala, no need of writing chili, this and all. Masala you put, and then you again sugar, salt.
Yes, ma'am.
Tomato. Suppose if you're in your food, if your mother put tomato, you can add a tomato. So, yeah. So I think you can have 6 days. 6 days menu. So Monday 1, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday don't want? Okay. Sunday don't want? You keep everything ready, and Monday during online classes you come and you will show to me on the screen. Ma'am, I have written so and so this. And this activity you need to file it afterwards because there is a mark for it. Clear? Internal assessment mark.
Ma'am, please don't rub.
Now what is source of food? Source of food means from where all these ingredients we get. Can you tell me from where all we get all this?
Plant sources.
So here
Plant sources.
this is using only kadala curry. It's a vegetarian food. So you only write plants. Enough? Suppose lunch time you had chicken biryani. Just think. If suppose you had a non-veg
Animal
item.
sources.
Yes. You write. So lunch you will write L. Lunch you will write L. Okay. Lunch you will write L. Write chicken biryani. Suppose you have a salad. You can enter salad. Pappad, whatever it is required. Again you write here. What is the ingredient? Chicken. It's only sample. You will write what you eat. You will write only what you ate. Don't write.
Spices,
Ma'am,
vegetables.
ma'am, in the food table, we should breakfast, lunch, and dinner is there.
Children, first I explain to you, then I will ask you doubt, okay? In between, if you talk now, we won't able to complete. Okay? I'll give chance. Let me complete this and you ask. Clear? Okay. Chicken, rice, flour. Yeah. Then what you had? Vegetables. Vegetable, salad, if you have vegetable, you will use onion, potato, whatever it is, carrot, okay? Cucumber, all that. Yeah, I'm not writing all that. You have to write. Clear? And from where we get this chicken biryani? Not from the shop. From where? So from plants and animals. You should write both. Why? Because in chicken biryani only chicken.
Now you will put vegetables and chicken.
What? What did you say, Narendra? What did you say?
Now we will put both vegetables and chicken.
Yes. Rice also you have to write, correct? Rice also you have to write. Yes.
Plant and animal sources.
Plants and That's enough, like that. Okay. Now lunch is over. Supper.
Then dinner.
Yeah.
Dinner.
Yeah. You put S. Supper, you have lunch time also, you have the
Dinner and
leftover.
supper.
If you have leftover chicken biryani on lunch time, you can have that also. You can write that also. Clear? Or you have chapati, or you have kanji, whatever required. So this is the format. Clear? This is the format. This is the activity. Once Monday is over, you draw the line like this. Monday, my menu is over. Draw the line, use the sketch pen. You can also stick some pictures of the food what you eat if you get. Okay, if you get, otherwise you draw. You draw. It is not necessary. You can make beautiful. It is not necessary because it's a lockdown, no? It is not easy for us to get the pictures and you may not able, your parents may not able to go and all. But those who want, you can draw the picture.
It's compulsory to put the pictures.
No, it's not compulsory. It's not compulsory. Only to make your menu beautiful. We can add some things. It's not compulsory because I know that it's not easy for us to get the things from shop. Nowadays, only eating whatever food items, only those shops are opening. Okay, I can understand. Okay, so those who don't get A4 size sheet, you don't worry. You can have it either ruled sheets or unruled sheet. If you have at home, you can have it. Okay, don't worry, but I wanted this to be done. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So Tuesday like that. B. You write lunch. You write supper as you write. Close that and then write Wednesday. I hope everyone understood. Yeah.
Ma'am, can we do in the chart?
Yes, you can do it in the chart paper also. If it is available, you can use because I know that it's not easy for us to get the things what we want. But sketch pen and you will get it in the small shops and all. If it is not necessary, you use your pencil or pen or whatever. Because I know it. Because yes.
And Tuesday, like this, you want to write?
Then afterwards Tuesday, what you eat, you write. Clear? Like that. I want 6 days. I want 6 days menu. Okay.
Ma'am, up till Sunday.
Sunday no need. Sunday
ma'am.
I don't want. So Saturday you will complete your activity because every day you should add, no? Every day what you eat because your mother cannot say what the mother will cook on Tuesday. Mother will say only that day only. Yeah? So you cannot say. So every day after finishing a supper, you can write it down. Use the sketch pen if you want. Make it beautifully. Maybe you can have different color for days, different color for food taken. Ingredients you use another color. Make it beautiful so that if you show me on the screen, it will be very nice. That's why. Okay, only to just create to make it more interesting. That's why I told those who don't have sketch, don't worry, it's not a problem, but mark will be given for writing. Clear? Mark will be given for writing. This is a part of your subject enrichment. You have term 1 exam, there's so many marks are there, no? 10 mark, 5 mark. So for that. So you have to, after showing, you have to file it. File with your class notes. Yeah? Your notes I will ruled sheets, you will write question answers. So with that, you keep this also. After showing me, on Monday, everyone will bring in the class, online class. You can, today I am showing the book here. Similarly, everyone will show me the your paper one by one. Okay.
Should we write in pen?
Yes. Okay. That's it. Yeah, so that's about the whatever we have studied in the last class, that is ingredients, and today we have learned the sources, plants and animals, and it's a very easy chapter because fifth standard, yeah, fifth standard also we have studied all this. Clear? Yes. So that's it. So shall we move on? Shall I change this? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we are moving back to our PowerPoint. So we have learned what do you mean by ingredients? Yes. And what you mean by what is the use of food? Clear? Now we are moving on to different sources of food already you know. What do you mean by you already know, ma'am? Chicken, meat, mutton, animals and all that. But only just I want to show you. So the main sources of food. The main sources. Okay, I can tell. Shahad, can you mute your audio? Okay. Yes. Everyone mute it. Who is this? Yeah. Joshua? Joshua, can you unmute Joshua?
Yes,
Can you read what is shown on the board, please?
Yes, ma'am. The source of
Please read. Read.
the main source of our food are plants and animals.
Mm. The next.
Plants are
Read.
plants are the source of food ingredients like grains, cereals, vegetables, and fruits. Animal
Cereals. You know the cereal, what what you call, we have oats and so many other things are there, no, what we use. That is cereals. Okay. Next.
animals are other sources provide us with milk, meat products, and eggs.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Dadra, can you read once again?
Yes.
Please read.
Sources of food. The main source of our food are plants and animals. Plants are the sources of food ingredients like grains, cereals, vegetables, and fruits. Animals are the other source which provide us with milk, meat products, and eggs.
Okay. So, what is plants? Ritul, you have any doubt? You raise the hand. I can get the notification over here. Ritul.
I have to read.
Ritul, you want to read?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then you read. Okay. Yes, read Ritul.
Source of food. The
Ah.
main source of our food are plants and animals. Plants and the source of food's ingredient like grains, cereals, vegetables, and fruits.
Cereals. Okay.
Cereals, vegetables, and fruits
Okay.
are the another
Ma'am, can
source
I read, ma'am?
which provide us
Ma'am, can I read?
products as eggs.
Okay. Okay, children, now understood?
Ma'am,
I'll give you chances
can
next
I
time.
read, ma'am?
Ma'am, you should write what you underline.
Next time. Now everyone, what I wanted to tell you, take your notebook. Okay. Take your notebook, all of you. In that, what you have written, correct? Okay. So, what you write? You write like this. Plants give. Put hyphen. So, this is our third point. First point, you have written. Second point, you have written ingredients. And third point, plants give. What are the things gives? You write down. This is for MCQ questions and you have to study. MCQ, I can ask you. I will give you some of this name of the sources of food and ingredients. Then you have to choose the correct one.
Ma'am, should we write in notebook or rough book?
No, only notebook. Your rough book. Which is the rough book? See, you did not get me, I think, what I tried to say, children. Children, I told you, during the class time, whatever I tell you to write, you write in the notebook. Clear? That rough notebook, whatever, rough notebook, whichever notebook you use. Clear? Question answers. Yeah. Question answers I will be sending the question answers separately. Okay? It's a PDF. So that you copy in the ruled sheets. Got it? Did you get it? So during the class, I will be giving you like this important points that you copy down. Why I wanted during your MCQ test and all, I can put the questions from that. You have to study that point. Okay?
Ma'am, can you share the code?
Yeah. Yes. Don't worry. You will be understood. So you write what I'm saying. Plants give. Which other things give? Grains, cereals,
Vegetables and
learn the spelling also.
Fruits, vegetables.
Pulses.
Vegetables and fruits. So only you write only this. Okay. Then fourth point you write animals. Animals give. Put hyphen like this and you write. Yes. Milk, meat,
Egg.
meat products, because we have so many, milk product also you have milk, butter, ghee and all. So that's a milk, meat products and eggs. Milk means you will get butter, ghee, so many things. Yes. Only this only you write. Don't write what is on the slide, what I'm writing on the board. Clear? So this is the fourth point. I can hear some sound. You can mute it. When I ask, you can unmute, okay?
Ma'am, finish writing.
Somebody? Finish.
No,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Okay, I will wait for everyone to complete. Don't worry.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am,
Yes. Tell me. Who is telling
ma'am,
me?
I cannot see this sharing.
Sherlyn, Parnolu. Tell me what do you want?
Ma'am, I cannot see the screen share.
You cannot see. Okay, I will once again I'll stop and show you. Wait. Maybe sometimes you will have network. Can you see now, Isha? No.
Yes, ma'am, now I can see it.
Maybe network issues. Okay, others can see no? Everyone, Aromal?
Yes, ma'am.
Aromal, can you switch on your video? I can't see you only. Aromal. Don't switch off the videos, I tell you. Inovin. Fia. Fia, you have some network issue. I can't see you. Fala.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I have some network issue. That's why.
Okay. Angelia Maria. Parvati, because if I don't see you, I can't make out when you come to the school. Yeah, I should know your face, correct? Yeah. Angelia Maria, Krishnaveni, Adilashmi. Yes, ma'am. Who raised up hands, please? Hands? Okay. Okay, I hope you completed now, children.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
No, who did not complete?
Ma'am, here.
Okay.
Ma'am, you have to submit the activity on Saturday, right?
Not activity you have to submit on Monday. Monday you have to bring during the class time, like this. Okay? And then you have to show.
And
I
did
will
he
tell you to
finish?
show. Yeah. Yes.
But did he finish?
Okay. Okay, children. Now we are going to learn little more detail, okay, about plant product food. Now there's not much time, but still I will make you to read now because you need to read. So last time, who did not get? Someone raise the hand. Can you? Who is that?
Ma'am, Amna.
Okay, Amna, can you read the first sentence, please? Wait, I'll show you. Now, plant product food, we are going to learn detail. Can you read the first one? Plant product food and that one. Read, Amna.
Ma'am, Amna has left the class. Ma'am, can Anupama read? Ma'am, can Jillian?
Wait. She may have some problem, correct? Okay. Ishal,
Yes, ma'am.
can you read? Anubama got a chance, no? Anubama got a chance, correct? Okay, after Ishal, read first one. After that, Bilsa, okay?
Plant product food. Plants are a source of a wide variety of nutrients required to keep the human body in perfect working condition. Hence, we obtain food from plants directly and indirectly.
Okay,
Plants are
that's enough. That's enough. Okay, mute it. Jalin, I'll give you a chance. Wait, Bilsa raised the hand before that. Bilsa, can you read? Can you read the first, whatever it shall read? Please read once again.
Okay, ma'am. Plants are a source of a wide variety of nutrients required to keep the human body in perfect working condition. Hence, we obtain food from plants directly or indirectly.
Okay, very good. Now, Jalin, read the same thing. Don't read the second paragraph. That we will learn the next class, okay? Because we will learn only this much. Okay, Jalin, read one. Again, repeat the same thing.
Okay, ma'am. Plants
Ah.
product food. Plants are a source of a wide variety of nutrients required to keep the human body in perfect working condition. Hence, we obtain food from plants directly or indirectly.
Okay, very good. Adilakshmi, read. Same thing.
Plants product food. Plants are a source of wide variety of nutrients required to keep the human body in perfect working condition.
Yes.
Hence, we obtain food from plants directly or indirectly.
Okay. Next, Anna Rose, read. Because you also raised the hand. Anna Rose, read.
Same one, ma'am.
Same thing. Because we are not going to the new one. Because that next time we will repeat.
Okay.
Read.
Plants are source of a wide variety of nutrients required to keep the human body in perfect working condition. Hence, we obtain food from plants directly or indirectly.
Okay, thank you, Sajal. So, how do we depend upon the plants? How do we depend upon the plants? We depend upon the plants directly or indirectly to get the nutrients. Okay, so next class we will learn part by part because every part of the plant will give us nutrients. So that we will learn the later. So from the next class, start doing your activity day by day, and those who did not get the chance for reading, next time I'll give you the chance. Okay? Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Bye, ma'am.
Yes, bye.